What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Guys, I'm here at the Florida Ski Riders Dunedin Invasion. Guys, this place is packed. As you guys can see, man, we got jet skis like it's nobody's business, man. It's literally slammed out here, and we have so many people who came out here from all different areas. We got people who came down from PA. That was awesome. A whole group of people. Everybody from PA. Yeah, that's what's up. All over, people from all over. I'm telling you, I'm not lying to you. Let's go. There's a lot of people coming from North Carolina, South Carolina, and of course all over Florida. Man, this is going to be a great turnout, guys. We're going to some beautiful water areas to where, you know, it just looks like we're going to be in the Bahamas here in the next couple of probably the next 10 minutes. You guys watch this video, you're going to see nothing but blue water. So we're going to go ahead and sound the alarm, get everybody ready to go, and we're gonna get ahead and take off and go up to Anclo. And wifey, she is super excited because she got her Sea-Doo. As you can see it right there.
What's her name?
She named it Babe.
Really didn't.
No, BB. Sorry. She named it BB. So I'm riding on the back of that thing today because my ski is unfortunately down. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna sound the horn and we're gonna take off, guys. So stick around, make sure you like this video. Let's go.
Nice meeting you, man.
How you doing, man?
Right.
From New York?
Yes.
Nice. Water's a little more clearer here, right?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Just a little bit. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Wife wore me out of that damn ski.
Yeah,
It does, man. It hits different.
Yeah.
Alright, we done made it to Anclo. This water's so beautiful, guys. Look how clear it is. Clear. And there's so many people on the sandbar. It's ridiculous. Lots of people. And we got like drones in the air like crazy. But it goes all the way down that way and all the way back down that way. But we're having a great time because once we leave here, we're actually going to go to 3 Ruckers and from there back to the ramp. But it's going to be a full day, so more of this beautiful water. As you can see, it's just so nice, man. Look at everybody down there. It just goes all the way down, all the way down. But you see the difference in colors of the water. It's so shallow and chill over here. But yes, so we are here chilling. We're gonna relax a little bit and then take off. Oh yeah, easy.
Hey, ski riders, what's up guys? We are at the North Sandbar. Shan, June, Josh, Monkey Boy Andy Hodgins, Z, the photographer, baby. He is not part of the family. It's official. Z is part of the family. So all those beautiful photos you guys see, Z, thank you so much, brother. Guys, we got the North Sandbar. What do you think, Shan? Was it rough? You're on your EX now. You got it back on the water.
I had so much fun. So much fun.
So much fun. He was jumping and playing and giggling. He was smiling. Them cheeks are gonna hurt tomorrow. June's World, June Squad.
Guys,
we did it again, guys.
This is just an amazing event every time. I mean, you guys come out and come in force. And it's a miracle to see all these people out here together. Hey, in unity.
And how beautiful is it today?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Beautiful out today. Crystal clear water.
I'm in a live.
Oh my good, look at this here.
Okay. All right, we are headed out. We're going to 3 Ruckers now. Baby, all right?
I feel better.
She's not feeling good. So, everybody's hauling ass, as you can see. Man, this is beautiful out here, man. I can't stress it enough. It's so nice. Water's just super clear. Super clear.
Can I start it?
Yes. It rides just like any other jet ski. The ride bitch, yeah. Listen, I enjoy riding bitch. Sometimes, anyway. But everybody's clowning on me, thanks to her. All right, guys, we're gonna head to 3 Ruckers. I will bring you guys up over there. Nice little cruise back. Let's go. Dolly!
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
On the back of
It sucked. My arms hurt, my hands hurt. You don't want to know. It was just so choppy. But anyway, we are back at Dunedin. Guys, you see that was the lead boat for today. Wow, what a great ride. Everybody's still out there in the water. They're like, we want to keep going. But unfortunately, the ride is over. We're gonna get ahead and beach it real quick. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video, guys. We made it back to Dunedin, and I'm gonna tell you, today was a great day. A little choppy, but still turned out to be a good day. It's just a beautiful area. Dunedin, if you've ever been out here, you must come out here, check it out. This is Florida Ski Riders HQ, their first HQ. Second HQ is in the East Coast, Sebastian. But yeah, we're here. We done pulled up. I'm already got the ski on the trailer, and I'm getting out of here. So you guys, make sure that you guys subscribe and like the video. And I appreciate every single one of you guys for coming out and riding with us. Peace out.